All right, hey guys, welcome back. Second video here on Wednesday, our last day. I'm kind of getting sad because it means we're not doing this again tomorrow, but we've given you 3 days of great content. Of course, we're still here at Winnebago. Started here earlier with the Solos. Hope you all enjoyed that video. Make sure you're providing comments below. We are still here for you guys, the consumer, hunting cool products at the show, which leads me over to this one. You know, one of the things right now in the RV industry that we're thinking about is the fact that we've got high inflation, high interest rates, and we always get the same question from y'all. What does it cost? We're going to hold the price till the end, but we've been in search of some of the most affordable, that full-featured, luxury. Is there one that really contains them all, especially for someone like me with a family of 4 and a dog? Well, I think I found it. I think I found it here in the Winnebago. We're calling it the Golf Showroom. We're here on the grass. We're getting ready to enjoy some fun stuff. So you got to check this out. This is the all-new Access, and this is a travel trailer. Hey, good morning. Seeing you again. How many years have we done this together?
I think this is our 3rd time.
All right, tell everyone who you are.
My name's Adam Christofferson, General Manager for Winnebago Towables.
And that means he gets to play with these all the time, while I don't, but unless I'm camping. All right, so we've been in search of finding a travel trailer that is affordable, that has some really cool features on the inside, and can be the ultimate Swiss Army knife for the family or for someone that just loves to have an affordable travel trailer that is small and compact as well. So run us through the Access here, and then we'll start on the exterior, but just tell us the whole concept of Access.
Absolutely. So as Winnebago, we're kind of that premium trailer manufacturer, from features and what customers expect from quality. And like you said, there's pressures on the pump and interest rates and hyperinflation, and Winnebago has never been able to offer a premium travel trailer that has full features, but MSRP starting under $30,000. And we've waited and we sat on this for a couple years, and we're hitting it with the market right now with our all-new Access. And this is a conventional travel trailer. And when I talk about kind of premium upgraded features that end consumers are looking for, it's that upgraded metal on the side. It's the thicker metal. I mean, bigger ridges. But we didn't go with like a matte finish. We went with the high gloss finish. So if you have those consumers in the warmer states, this actually has UV blocking properties to it. So it should help with that fading and everything over time. But
and it looks cool.
It has an awesome look.
I'm just a car guy, man. I'm like, does it look cool? Yeah, I'm like, it looks cool. Kind of Las Vegas Raider colors on the side. I might switch that up more to Tennessee Titans colors, but it's awesome. I think what you're doing on the exterior is really cool. Talk about more. I see bunk bed windows down there. I'm thinking they might be in there. What's behind this little hidden compartment?
So right here, again, like you talked about, bunk beds, having families.
Party time.
Yep.
So I knew tailgate was coming.
So you need to have your additional beverage station outside, so you're not always running in and out. You got to be able to, in the morning, frying up your eggs, get your brats and burgers there on the grill. But then again, you're under here. I mean, it's raining on us here. Look how big this awning is.
It's wide.
So
with LED lighting.
Yep. So you can have your full tailgate set up, your full campsite set up out here. But then, hey, you know what? I want to go extended season camping outside, fall. I've got fully enclosed, sealed, heated underbelly with 12-volt tank pad heaters. If I'm not able to be plugged in, I've got factory supplied solar, 200-watt solar panel on the roof. Hey, I need to bring the kids' bikes, or I want to bring my extra tailgate gear. I've got a 2-inch accessory receiver hitch integrated into the frame, rated for 350 pounds. We've actually been really intentional, so with e-bikes, with that craze, so we're rated for e-bikes. Hey, I want to set up quick and get the kids taken care of or get to the game. I can just push 2 buttons in the back, 2 buttons in the front, and that gets power stabilization. So everything. But then, as you go on the inside, you don't want to just have this bland interior. And then at Winnebago Towables, we've had a really tight identity with some of this contemporary kind of European styling. And so we actually did that on the inside, and we were able to maintain some features such as additional storage because of that. You don't have dead panels or stiles in the way. But for that consumer that maybe like a live, work, play, hey, I've got Wi-Fi prep in there. So that way, if I am on the road, I need to get some work done, I can hotspot right in or tap in and go. But again, there's some really cool features in here, like you said, for a family. So maybe we should head on in.
We're going to head on in. I do want to point the tires out really fast. I know. It's like the same thing at my house, right? My wife always says, you're responsible for all the stuff outside, and she's like, I get to make everything look pretty on the inside. I like dark tires. I mean, that's the thing right now, right? So you're kind of giving it this athletic stance on the outside with the darker colors, with the grays up top. And I think that's cool, right? But then when you make your way to the inside, then I have to transition my brain to, all right, what is Mama Flora like on the inside of an RV? Well, I'll start with the floors and make my way up. The colors are soft. It feels like homey and inviting.
Yep.
And that's where we've transitioned in the market. People want to feel a certain level of comfort. Let's talk. What's going on the inside?
So we went with really light color floors. We did go with kind of a maple looking wood tone, but it has some gray tones to it. And I know grays are a little bit, in that transition period, but we paired it with the light floors, the light color countertops, really simple light wallboard and ceiling board. And this palette, I mean, there is a little bit of touch of blue in the welting just to kind of give it, but it's not in your face. So, like you said, your wife, she can accent this and finish this with different shawls and everything.
It's beautiful on the inside. And we're purposely holding the price out because I think when you hear the price, your jaw is going to literally drop. Television up on front, spin around tray showing the bedroom in here. You've got storage. What I really like, and I've seen this a couple times throughout the show, is not only do you have storage in the boxes, but they're not being pushed all the way to the back wall, so they're giving you full height in here. So you can hang your jackets, you can hang stuff on the inside. Traditionally, if you push this to the back, you're limiting your space with your cabinetry. So now you get to put, and I always talk about the fact that I am a water guy. I drink so much water. Put my water here, put my iPad next to me, be able to read at night before I go to bed. I love the comfort in here. I also love the simplicity, right? There's no reason to overdo it, and I think they've accomplished that with the Winnebago Access. The kitchen is where we love to entertain, not just having friends and family here, but look at all the room that we have on the inside with, the big farmhouse-style sink. You have all this great ability to entertain and do what it is you want. You got 4 outlets up here, and then holy smokes, talk to me about this. This is awesome.
So yeah, for a family of 4, you've got the standard theater seat where the footrest can come out. Otherwise, your standard 4-person dinette. But again, no carpet in the slide. It makes it kind of seem really big with the nice lino and the transition. 4 big windows in that slide area. So again, if you're hanging out in here like a rainy day like today, you got to be inside.
You got room.
You do.
You got room, and it's one super slide, everyone. That's it. Like, you feel like on the inside of this that it should have like it's a double slide. It's not. This is just one slide over here. And I think that's what's awesome is we're maximizing space. All right, so go for it.
You said you have 4 kids?
4.
I have.
No, I have 2.
You have 2?
Yeah.
Oh, I have 3 kids.
They act like 4.
I love my kids, but what I love is I've got privacy door in the bedroom there, and normally most bunk models are open with curtains, but mom and dad have a privacy door, and I've got a full privacy door.
And this
for the
is
bunks.
something that one of our team members came and he said the first thing that what really attracted him to this unit was the fact that you had a door. You never have a door with these, and that's what's really awesome is having a door. Most of the time you'll see the bunk come out this way, and it really is just an open space. And so having the door gives everyone privacy.
One thing that we talked about on the outside was that little bit of outside kitchen. Normally, outside kitchens are integrated into the bottom bunk and recessed in. Our outside kitchen is actually recessed here, but you still get pantry storage as well here. Now,
That's huge. By the way, that's huge.
That is. Almost arm's length deep there. And with the pull-out drawer. But where I'm actually trying to get at is this bottom bunk hinges and
Bicycles
fold up because I've got the rear baggage door. But not having that outside kitchen built into the bottom bunk, and we left that platform open, all additional storage on the inside
space.
Instead of just paneled off.
Yeah.
And then I've actually got a little shelf in here. So if my kids are in here, I've got, 110 USB outlets, but I could actually and I've got inverter prep in this unit. So I've got inverter prepped outlets. So if my kids need to come in here, get away, do their thing. If I'm unplugged, I can do everything. If I got an inverter, I can run everything. So we've been really thoughtful on all of that. And one of the things, I mean, Mike, you're a taller guy like
Yep.
me. Go
Oh,
stand
yeah.
in that shower.
You know, he's been watching my videos. So every video we call it the shower test, and I get in every shower and I go, all right, can I actually utilize the shower the way I'd like to and make it feel more like home? And you can in here. There's plenty enough headspace. And I love just a little additional accent in here just to give it a creative and custom feature. And it's a nice roomy bathroom as well with storage, sink, everything that you need in here. Having extra space as well is important for countertop space. So everything you need in the bathroom is in here. Overall, I think that for the price, which we're going to get to right now, this thing is amazing. So we talk about the market, we talk about the pinch at the pump, we talk about inflation, and you know everyone's conscious of what they're spending right now. But what's great is you said, look, we're a company that builds certain tiered level RVs. We know what the market's asking for. We know what the consumer's asking for. Break it down for us.
So this premium travel trailer from Winnebago, base starting MSRPs for the Access line is $29,800. So we're under $30,000 for that base MSRP.
Yeah, so you're getting a great price for a new unit, and it's customized like this. Are there other trim levels for the Access?
So there's no other trim levels as far as, hey, I want to add additional or different decor. We just have a handful of floor plans. This is a 30-foot single slide bunk. We have a 26BH, which is a non-slide bunk model that helps keep the weight and length down. And then we have a mid-living rear kitchen 25 ml that's under 30 feet. Really cool floor plan. And then we've got a front kitchen that's just north of 30 feet, and we're going to have a 26 rear living. So we're going to kind of hit all those traditional floor plans and kind of feature segments that consumers
So
are
I
looking
just
for.
have to ask you, for your smallest Access, the most, like your baseline starting unit, what's that cost?
Again, that's going to be that $29,000.
Wow. Okay, so super affordable, under 30 grand. Thank you so much for showing off this awesome travel trailer right here. You know, I've been on the hunt for something affordable here, and we've seen some really cool affordable units, but when you think about, I always think about traveling with my family. This one is absolutely a home run. All right, team, that's it for us here at Winnebago. We hope you've enjoyed video number 2. We're going to be making our way over to the Hall of Fame area, the RV Hall of Fame area, and we'll have more videos coming to you shortly. All right, we're going to stay out of the rain and stay inside here for a while because it's awesome. See you guys.